Good afternoon, passengers. This is the pre-boarding announcement for flight MH370 to Terengganu. We are now inviting those passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding at this time. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes time. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. Before we continue our presentation, we would like to thanks to Miss Fadila because without her help and her guidance, we couldn't finish our project for this subject. Our presentation divided into two parts, which is the first part I will talk about our system and the demonstration video that will be conducted by my teammate, which is Afiq Daniel, Iqbal Nasri and Alif Imran. Okay, for the first part, I will talk about the system. I will talk about the existing system, problem about existing system, and introduction about our system. Okay, for existing system, basically nowadays flight reservation system have a two method that usually used to buy a flight ticket, which is counter-based system at the travel agencies or airport, and secondly website, which conducted by airline company itself. The problem about our existing system is firstly time consuming. For counter, the passenger need to go to any travel agency booth or any airport to buy their flight ticket. This takes some of their times to travel from their place to the travel agency's booth or airport. Secondly, it's require interaction between people. For our current situation, which is in pandemic, this is not recommended because interaction between people can make the viruses transmit from one people to another people, which can lead to the virus spread to another person. Lastly, a website will have a heavy traffic, especially when it comes to holiday season and festival season, because a lot of us or user want to book their flight ticket to go to any tourism center or come back to their village. Okay, next one. I will talk about our system. Objective of our system is we want to implement a system that manage the customer online reservation ticket. Secondly, we want to inform up-to-date schedule of flight crew and flight attendant, as this will easier their works. Thirdly, we want to propose a system that can arrange a customer booking systematically. And lastly, we want to make a system that analyze the detail of the customer booking ticket. This is a sneak peek for our system, for interface our system. Next, my other teammate will give you a demonstration video how to use our system. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Iqbal Nasri. So I will show you for the first page, the system will ask whether the user is admin or user. So I will choose admin. So for the second page is admin login. It will ask username and password. In this page we use exception handling. We already stored the default username and password. So the username is admin and password is 1234. And if user put the incorrect password or username, the message will pop up and it say login error or login unsuccessful, and the system will return to the page back and will ask the username and password correctly until it correct. Okay, so the username is admin, password 1234, login. So the message will pop up, login successful. Okay, I will choose next page is staff registration. I will choose new admin. So for this page, we use array because we stored all the data that the user fill in on the information. So name is as an example Nasri, IC number 0071345, ID number 76 AB, email nasri@gmail.com, and password is 1234df. Submit. So as you can see, the message pop-up will show that the data is saved from the information, and above page is the information that the user filled, and then below of the data save, we can see the admin info that the user has filled, and log out. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, right now I'm going to present to you about admin. So we choose admin and require us to fill in the username and the password. So the username is admin itself, and the password, I'm trying to put the wrong password right now, like 2345, and if we log in, it will pop up and error message. So we use exception handling here to pop out the message. So the admin is able to fill in the form again. So the username is admin and the password is 1234, and login successful. Okay, so for me, I'm going to choose flight crew here. We're going to the system asks us to put name, ID number, email, password, address, and username. So name, I choose Alif. ID number to put D234. Email, password, number. So actually we inherit this class from class admin, and after we submit, the data is saved. Click OK. So you can see here the data is saved here, and for the system to do this, we use array, and if we click on show the flight crew, it will show the things that we already filled in the form. That's all from me.
Okay, if you choose user, it will go to page. It asks the user if you are existing user or first time user. This we need to choose sign up for first time user, and it will show you the new user page. On this page, you need to fill in the name, email, phone number, address, credit card number, password, and confirm password. But you must remember email and password because you want to log in for the next login page. Okay, I will fill in the name, email, phone number, ID number, address, credit card type. I will choose debit card, credit card number, password. You need to remember this password for login. I will input 1 2 3 4 5 and password 1 2 3 4 5. And as you can see, after I click the OK button, it will show the data have been saved, and you will see on the other page the data has been saved. And if you click on the login, you will go to the login page, and you will need to key in email and password that you has filled in on the new user page. And here we use exception handling, and if the user key in the wrong email or password, the error message will pop up. 1 2 3. For example, if I input the wrong password, it will show username or password is wrong. Okay, we'll try again. I will input the correct password. Okay, it will show you login successfully. And next, it will go to the travel anywhere page. In this page, you will need to choose from where you depart and to where you want to go. In this page, we already decided on the places and from where. And here I will choose Sultan Mahmud Airport, and you need to key in the date. And for date, we use composition. Okay, after you click the OK button, it will show you the payment detail page, and will show total ticket price for your ticket. And after you click the next button, it will show you the payment page. Here you will need to enter the credit card number in integer, because we also use exception handling here. If you input other than integer, the error message will pop up. Enter. Okay. Wrong data type because I input string. Okay, and then if you input integer, then you can proceed to the next page. And for the last page, we will show you your account balance after minus from the ticket price and the flight information. Here, as you can see, Iqbal Muhammad, staff has access to flight info for flight 17202. Here we use association.